Good day, everyone. So, this is the continuation of our topic. What is social administration and social welfare or agency administration, and what is the difference between them? Social administration and social welfare agency administration are both process or types of administration. The social administration is an administration in the field of health, education, and other social development fields. Example, schools, hospital, social welfare offices. So, ang social administration ay nangyayari lang sa field ng health, education, and social development fields. Example nito ay sa school, sa hospital, at social welfare offices. While naman ang social welfare or agency administration, specifically to the administrative processes in social welfare agency. For example, sa DSWD, sa PNRC or Philippine National Red Cross. Itong DSWD and PNRC ay example ng social welfare offices. So, para mas malinaw. Pagpalagay natin na itong circle na to ay ang social administration. Diba ang social administration ay matatagpuan sa field of education, sa health, and other social welfare developments. For example, ang social administration ay tatagpuan sa schools, sa hospital, sa social welfare offices. Now, paano naman yung social welfare agency or administration? Social welfare or agency administration. Ito ay matatagpuan lang sa social welfare offices. Ano ang example ng social welfare offices? Like DSWD, Philippine National Red Cross, and UNIFIL or United Youth of the Philippines. So, yun ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa.